It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I am back. I'm a little late. I meant to get on this morning. It didn't happen. It's all good, but I want to talk about the Bath and Body Works free candle deal today. Is it a good deal? And what's going to happen tomorrow? So, oh my gosh. Today, I'm going to put a screenshot up. If you spend $50, you can choose a free 3-wick candle and get free shipping. This is an online only deal. You have to use the code ANY. How creative is that? Any candle. I thought that was pretty funny. So today only online only. Is this a good deal? It actually is not a bad deal. So the only trick is you have to spend $50. So if you don't want to spend $50, it's probably not worth it. The free shipping does make it pretty good. So if we start by starting with new arrivals, you could get 5 Christmas candles with this deal. So right now, candles are $13.95. So $13.95 times 4 is going to be $55.80. So you got to spend that, plus tax is going to bring you up into the 60 range. Now, I'm going to divide this by 5, because you're getting the free candles. So if we divide it by 5, it's going to cost you $11.16 for your 5 candles. I do it like that. You could say you're getting a free candle. I like to break it down into how much each candle is. Not a terrible deal. I know a lot of people have been wanting to get their hands on some of the new Christmas stuff. Fresh balsam, snowy coconut frost, the perfect Christmas, which I have right here. By the way, you notice that I didn't change over to Christmas. Usually around like October 22nd, 23rd, it's all Christmas. I'm doing good this year, and it's only because I've been so busy. I've been too tired to change out my background. So for those of you who still like Halloween, we still got Halloween up. How funny is that? This whole like having a cold really threw me off, but it's good. I anticipate Christmas will be up by November 1st, which actually makes more sense to put Christmas up after Halloween. I might actually do that this year. I don't know. Then again, you never know. I might get ambitious. So anyway, the perfect Christmas. This is a good candle. Now, are we getting this one in the body care? I got to talk about 'Tis the Season, because we're supposed to be getting 'Tis the Season in body care, which I am beyond excited about, by the way. So, under the Christmas tree, sugared snickerdoodle, hot cocoa and cream, all of these, favorite early Christmas candles to be had with the sale. Now, what is going to happen tomorrow, you might ask? So, tomorrow, supposedly Christmas is launching online and in store. I'm like, I got to get in the store. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Needless to say, I will be doing all of the online stuff. Luckily, I got a lot of things early so I can talk about it. But I know Leah, she actually, I was so excited. She had like Christmas up in her store. I wanted to go in today, and I'm like, time just got away from me. I'm like, I'm not driving all the way up to the mall today. So my store could be set. I don't even know. It is possible that Christmas is already up. So probably what'll happen though is we're not going to have a candle sale tomorrow. So that's kind of the trick. I don't know if there's going to be new candles tomorrow for the launch. I'm thinking it's like mostly like a body care event tomorrow. Let me look at Tess on Instagram and see if she's got anything here. No, we only go up to the online only gift. So like I said, I think they're going to set Christmas tomorrow, both body care, possibly new candles. I don't even know. But my guess is we might not have any deals. I don't even know if they're going to give us buy 3, get 3. Oh, it's weird. I just got a special offer. 15% off any purchase, which is interesting. Why did it go down to 15% off, number one? Number two, I don't know if I can use it with the code ANY. I don't think you can layer those codes. Very strange. Let's see what else is going on. Yeah, buy 3, get 3 on the body care ends today. They are ending that today. So you know what that means? It means the Christmas tomorrow is probably going to be buy 3, get 1. Uh-huh. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Hopefully you have a lot of app rewards because you will be able to get, I gotta do a first impression of this one. This collection, the Storybook collection, these are only $16.95, so you can use your app rewards with this one. So that's good news. So anyway, if you want Christmas candles, like your Merry Cookie, by the way, those are already in my dining room. I'm starting to move Halloween out of my dining room, just a little. I got so much stuff coming in. I'm just like inching it out. By the way, I'm wearing the sweatshirt again. I love my Nevermore sweatshirt. It's so cool. Anyway, oh my goodness, you guys, shop today if you want some Christmas candles. $11.16 if you spend the $50. Actually, it'll be $60 with tax. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.